Hi, I made my own shopping app maybe 2 years ago, I think. Um, and well, obviously, I last built it 1 year ago. Just want to tell you, this is not like something untested. It's been tested very much. Well, let's jump right into it. Of course, there's the usual shop view. Here I see what I need to buy in the supermarket or wherever, and it's sorted by categories. And now I can tap on it, and when I pick them up, and they will be gone. And of course, there's in the menu, there's a reset. Some are back now. The items which are marked as often needed, these are set again to needed when you reset the list. But there was something else. Um, that was a different item. I forgot which one. That's why I used the undo feature. There's undo and redo. Now everything is coming back. Oh yeah, it was potatoes. Potatoes has this yellow rim around it, or orange, whatever. And that means that it's not often needed, it's seldom needed, which means that on reset it will not be set to needed again. So there's also a home view, and now first, let's say I need potatoes. What do I do now? Well, I just type potatoes. There they are, and press the plus, and the rest is German. Ignore it, please. Now I delete the search field, and there are the potatoes. Well, this is the home view, and this is the most important feature which I wanted and which I couldn't find in other apps. And well, I found one, but that's kind of crazy. That's like a complete inventory management for your home, and it's mainly for Windows. And well, I don't remember what its name was, but that was way too complicated for me. I wanted a rather simple app with just mainly this one feature, and well, when I used it, I needed some more features, and so I implemented them. Now, in the home view, I go through all things. On here, there's only 4. That's because, well, this is a demo version for you in English. I'm German, and in German, I have lots of things here which I check before I go shopping. And now at home, well, I decide, no, I don't need, I still have bananas. I press the minus and they're gone. And well, but now for demonstration, I'm hitting undo and go to shop view, and here the items are sorted differently. They are in the order in which they are in the supermarket. This order is, of course, different for different kinds of supermarkets or even individual ones. And of course, you can go into the settings, and well, there's all these home categories and all these shop categories and UI to customize them. And well, for the other settings, I'll come back to them later. of course, you can add new items. I don't know. Let's say some sweets like this, and then you press plus, and then you get this screen, and there you can configure this item. It will stay in the app, except you hit the delete button on the bottom. There's also a clone button, and well, I don't know, sweets, we want them often. If you want them often, then you have to, well, let's go back to seldom, then you only have to select category from the shop. This Süßigkeiten, that's the German name for sweets. But if something is often needed, then you will also have to select a home category. Let's say we're crazy, we're keeping our sweets in the fridge. And well, there's more features, but well, an alias and even export, but well, I don't want to go into this much detail yet. I save the item, and yeah, I think I demonstrated that. Well, these are already the main features, so I guess I go to the less often used features. Well, I told you about reset list. You can show all items, although the checked ones. We don't want to do that now. Well, let's go through the settings. Well, obviously light darks for system. Well, here, well, that's really basic. You can add categories, resort them, edit them, delete them. Hello again. Had to put my daughter to bed. Well, now you see down here, last backup. Where's the data stored? Is there a server? No. It's all just stored in the local storage of your browser. There isn't even a login or anything. You, well, just go to wherever it is deployed. I'll give you the URL where I deployed it. You can use it from there. And then how about data security? Well, you need backups, and I think it's in the settings. Oh yeah, there it is. It says backup every 24 hours. And well, how does the backup work? You can also, well, every 24 hours, a JSON backup of the whole state of the app, of all data, is stored, and I can demonstrate it. I can go here into the menu on more, and then on backup now. And well, this dialog doesn't annoy you every 24 hours. It will, if you don't execute it through the menu, it will just download automatically. And well, now I do it. And well, what else? Of course, there's a restore from file thing that works, tested, works fine. I don't even know what the help button does. I won't do it now. Maybe it's rubbish. Well, no, I'm okay. Well, we had reset list, more. Ah, yeah, there was no, no. Where was it? Oh, yeah, I turned off some features. I turned off the advanced mode. That's why something is missing. Now I turn it on. And this extra features. And in advanced mode, well, there's a development menu. Don't use it. And in more, you see two new copy items. That's when for example, my wife does the shopping, then I can, well, she prefers it without sections, items only, this, and then you get this, and now it's a decent format. I don't know which app, well, I won't demonstrate it. And what else is there? No, nothing. Well, in the edit dialog, there's something extra. Oh yeah, I forgot some things. Some items can be marked as urgent, and there is an urgent filter here. Then, well, I guess everything here is urgent. I can edit the eggs as not urgent, and they disappear. Now I disengage the filter and I get this back. Oh, that's why the sweets weren't there. I haven't marked them as urgent. You can mark something urgent only one time. When you reset the list, it will not be urgent anymore. And you can also hide an item until reset. Now it's gone, and when I reset, there are the potatoes again. When I'm in the store and something which is yellow, which means seldom needed, is out of stock. Well, this sounds quite complicated, but well, it's really not. And well, you can first use it as a normal shopping list and then advance to the features. Well, here potatoes, I don't know. Let's use the German name, Kartoffeln. Now you can also search for the potatoes through the German name. And well, sometimes I want a different name in the export, and then you can write down a name for export, a different name. Yeah, I think that's all features. These little graphics here, they're just regular Unicode. So yeah, comment, and I don't know where I posted, upvote or something if you like this. And well, to make this really useful, there would be another developer needed, which maybe just takes this as a prototype. I have no intention of earning money with this, or even, well, the copyright. Well, I put a copyright in there, but I'm more than willing to make it public under whatever license